ChatGPT is a text-based application. So the map function was not included. For example, if I ask ChatGPT, do you know my location? No. If you are using iPhone or Google Map, they can detect your location. But here the ChatGPT, no, I don't have access to your location. Language model. Do not have knowledge of your personal physical location or identity. That's good. So I'll ask one more question. If I ask this one, they will give the similar questions. But they give some suggestions. Now let me ask a new question. Just reveal a little bit of my address, my location. And the restaurant. Okay. Okay, this one is quite far, around 10 km away, near my office. Gato Fat Spoon, this one is around 5 km, not so close. But nearby my house, nearby my CPA area, there are so many restaurants and coffee shops. So they cannot access to the map. That's one of the limitations of the ChatGPT.